I make my bed. I clean my room. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I dust the table. I wipe the chair. I wash the dishes. I dry the dishes. I clean the kitchen. I wash my clothes. I hang the clothes to dry. I fold the clothes. I put my clothes in the closet. I clean the mirror. I clean the windows. I open the windows. I close the windows. I clean the door. I take out the trash. I arrange the sofa cushions. I vacuum the carpet. I clean the carpet. I clean under the bed. I clean the fan. I water the plants. I clean the balcony. I wash the bathroom floor. I clean the toilet. I wash the wash basin. I clean the shower area. I refill the water bottles. I clean the refrigerator. I arrange food in the fridge. I cook food. I cut vegetables. I wash vegetables. I boil water. I fry eggs. I set the dining table. I clear the table. I clean the stove. I clean the microwave. I clean the cupboards. I organize the kitchen shelves. I check groceries. I store groceries properly. I clean the rice container. I wash the lunch box. I pack the lunch box. I clean the water filter. I polish the furniture. I arrange the books. I clean the study table. I put toys in the box. I clean the toy shelf. I clean the TV screen. I organize the shoes. I clean the shoe rack. I lock the doors. I unlock the doors. I clean the gate. I sweep the yard. I clean the garden. I wash the car. I clean the bicycle. I feed the pets. I clean the pet area. I change bed sheets. I wash pillow covers. I hang curtains. I wash the curtains. I clean the walls. I clean ceiling corners. I organize the drawers. I clean the phone screen. I organize documents. I make breakfast. I clean after cooking. I help my parents. I organize the drawers. I check the water taps. I make my bed. I organize my room. I iron my clothes neatly. I repair small things at home. I arrange my things properly. I wash my hands before doing chores. I wash fruits and vegetables. I dust the fan and lights. I tidy up the living room. I pack lunch for the family. I keep my shoes in the rack. I clean the sink after use. I clean the house before guests arrive. I keep my home neat and clean. I help my mother in daily chores. I open windows for fresh air. I pick up things from the floor. I store food properly in containers. I clear the table after meals.